everybody. What's up, humans? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Efemenabiz. You guys should totally subscribe. So for today's video, I'm bringing 8 ways to make money online as a Nigerian teenager, or 8 ways to make money online as a teenager. So as a teenager, you have to start thinking about how you can make money, or how you can make some little pocket money and not be overly dependent on your parents. So the first one is get paid using online surveys. So online surveys are websites that team up with organizations who want to know more, get feedback from people about some of their products, and teenagers are the traffic they want to bring to their products, and so they are always looking for people to take online surveys. But unfortunately, most of these surveys are not open to Nigeria. I will link a site where you guys can see the list of the ones that are open to Nigerians, or if you want, I could make a video of all the websites open to Nigerians. Number 2 is sell arts and crafts on Etsy. Etsy is an online market full of homemade crafts and art and vintage stuff, and so if you have that talent, you should definitely think about selling arts and crafts on Etsy. The third one is to write for websites. If you're a creative writer, if you have that talent, you should definitely think about using your talent to make money. There are lots of websites that are looking for people to write for them, and especially a teenager, they're always looking for teenagers, so you should definitely give that a shot. The fourth one is to start a YouTube channel. This one, I just started my YouTube. Even though YouTube, you have to gain some sort of momentum, some sort of subscribers and watch hours before you can actually make money, but I feel like it's something you can do if you have that sort of talent in videography and in editing and everything. You should definitely give YouTube a shot. The fifth one is to start a podcast. Podcasts are coming in these days. Podcasts are becoming very, very popular. I feel like you should definitely give it a shot. If you're funny, you have things to talk about, people will love to listen to that. Now the sixth one, is it the sixth one? I feel like it's the sixth one. The sixth one is to sell an ebook. Again, if you have that talent for writing and everything, you should definitely think about selling an ebook, because a lot of teenagers read Wattpad for different stories, and if you're creative in that sort of way, you should definitely think about producing an ebook where people have to pay before they can download the book. Now the seventh one is to become a social media influencer. With 1,000 followers on Instagram, 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, you can become a brand influencer. Brands are looking for people to influence their product, and they will pay you for influencing their product. The last thing is to create an online store using drop shopping. Now drop shopping is mainly where you team up with the manufacturer of the product. So if you don't want to buy the product, it's just you're marketing your product to people, and then you get paid for the wholesale price of the product. I did not explain that very well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like this video, and comment down below which one of these you have tried, or which one of these you are going to try. Okay, see you guys next week. Okay, I love you. Bye bye.